guys, what's up? It's Lydia here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. But today, the video that I have prepared for you guys today is I am doing the $20 drugstore curly hair routine challenge. That's a mouthful. But I'm super excited to do this video because a lot of you guys, I get frequent comments asking, are there cheaper products or cheaper hair routines that you can do? And I've always recommended Cantu, and I used to use Cantu back when my hair was like dyed kind of blondish, and it really made my hair super dry and didn't really work very well for me. So I kind of just stopped using it, but I remember hearing from a lot of people that Cantu is a really great brand for a really great price. And so I was like, yeah, just use Cantu, here you go. But I decided to give it a try again because I think it's the product that I trust the most, and it is Curly Girl Method approved, which is really important. So that means that there's no parabens, silicones, or sulfates, or mineral oil, it says in there. So that's cool. So yeah, it's super safe for your hair, and it's a really great price. And yeah, I'll show you the products that I'll be using in the shower. So I'm going to use the Sulfate Cleansing Cream Shampoo by Cantu. There you go. I'm going to use the Sulfate Hydrating Cream Conditioner. Cantu. And then for afterwards, I'm only going to use the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. And also by Cantu, obviously. So let's see how it all works, and let's hop in that shower. And this is the results of, actually this is my second day hair after using all the Cantu products, and I am seriously so pleased with it. And you're asking second day, I just refreshed with water, so there's no other products in it, so it's just water reactivating the Cantu products that I used yesterday. I am super happy. My hair feels really hydrated, which I kind of sometimes can struggle with Diva Curl. And my hair feels also super soft, which sometimes I don't get from Diva Curl. So I'm actually very much impressed with the high quality results versus the really, really affordable price. So if you guys are looking for products that are cheap and work well, Cantu is the go-to in my mind now. And I know for sure, oh, my necklace. Oh. But yeah, I'm super pleased with it. So now I'm just going to review each product and talk about how it felt, what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it. So here we go. So the first thing that I used was the Cleansing Cream Conditioner. I was super pleased with this because it has no sulfates, silicones, or parabens, and it actually lathered, and that was really surprising to me. I was totally shocked by that. Also, it smells so good, and it felt really light, but it still felt like it was cleaning, and I was able to like scrub it with all the suds, and it was really cool because I'm just used to the No Poo by DevaCurl, and that just doesn't really feel like soap. It just feels more like oil based. But this was really fun and awesome, and yeah, it felt really gentle, but it really felt like it was actually working and cleaning my scalp. So I give it an A+. The next Cantu product that I used was the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. This was awesome. I actually had to use quite a bit of it, not gonna lie, but my hair's really thick and it was pretty dry, so I needed a lot of conditioning and moisture, but I was really, really pleased with it. It smells amazing. Like, all these products smell so flippin' good, and I think it was really gentle. Everything felt really gentle and natural, which is really great. And also, it did make my hair super soft. Even though I did have to use a good amount, it still got the job done. And I very much recommend the cleansing shampoo and the cream conditioner by Cantu. It works so well. I mean, obviously the results you can see, like, my hair has definitely retained the curl, and I would say that my hair is actually more hydrated using Cantu than it was using DevaCurl, which is a big shock for me because I love DevaCurl. You all know that I do. But Cantu is really good too, so I might switch off between DevaCurl and Cantu like throughout a month or so, and yeah, I really recommend it. And the last product that I used was the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. This was so great. It honestly almost felt like a leave-in conditioner, but it was really, really thick feeling, and when I put it in, it like made the sound when I was scrunching, which usually I don't get because I usually tend to use more gel-based products. But I'm really happy with it because I felt like it really moisturized, which is its job, but it really moisturized, but also gave me the definition that I usually need and want and get from the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel. It's really great. I think I definitely didn't get as much like hardcore definition, but I really like the definition, but it still looks really soft and playful. Like, I'm so digging my hair and it feels so soft. Usually my hair doesn't feel as soft, and I'm really pleased with it. I do have some frizzy areas in my hair, but that's usually normal. I prefer to have volume than less frizz, so I've said that in my previous videos. But yeah, super like it, and it's a pretty good amount of it, and I put it just all over my hair in different sections, and I just scrunched the heck out of it and I let it air dry. And yeah, so those were all the products that I used, and you can see that my hair has responded super well from it, and this is day 2, and I refreshed with water like I said earlier. But I want you guys to know that it's not just my wash day hair. Even though yesterday was great, it did take forever to dry, and I just didn't want to film yesterday. So I'm really happy to have made a video that shows you guys that cheap products also work super well on hair, and overall these products were super conditioning, super hydrating, but felt very light and gentle, but it still felt like it was getting the job done. So I'm so happy with this challenge. I think it turned out great for me. My hair is extremely happy, and yeah, I hope this video was helpful and informational, and I'm glad I finally can put a video out there that is reasonably priced, that I can afford more and that you guys can also afford. And yeah, it really was under $20, or just at $19 or $20. I kind of forgot because I bought other things at Target. But yeah, you can get these products, like I said, at Target. Probably is the most reasonable, is the most known place for everyone to get it at. But yeah, so I hope you guys are happy with the results, and you can see that just because the products were cheap doesn't mean that the quality was. So yeah, I hope you guys can try out these products and do this little curly hair routine challenge for yourself, and let me know how it goes, and comment down below if you have any questions about the products that I used or the process that I did. And also guys, if you have any video ideas that you want to give me to do, or questions that you want me to answer in videos, just feel free to comment any suggestions or ideas. I'm always open, and I would love to hear what you guys would want me to do and videos to do. So I'm excited. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, feel free to do so below. I'd love to have you part of this beautiful curly team. But yeah, also give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful and you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching again. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support and your love. I cherish you guys so much. And yeah, tune in next time for more Vids with Lids.